Experience coastal luxury in a Spanish colonial-inspired home in Washington. Welcome to Wander West Seattle. I'm Lila, and today I'll be showing you around this gorgeous 5-bedroom home that comfortably sleeps up to 9, 5 full bathrooms, stunning views of the Puget Sound and Olympic Mountains from nearly every room, a TV room, a game room, a workout room, and multiple levels of outdoor balconies. Now, let's head inside. Up the stairs, you will find the main open concept living room that has such a warmth and charm to it. You'll see this plush sectional sofa and these 2 cozy armchairs, making it a perfect place to relax and unwind. There is also a wall-mounted flat screen TV and these floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in so much natural light, making a seamless tie between the indoors and the outdoors. And I mean, look at this insane view. Right off the living room, you will find this gorgeous wet bar with soaring high ceilings, plenty of light coming in, and this stunning wagon wheel chandelier that adds such a touch of rustic charm. It also features these exquisite marble countertops and comes fully stocked with a fridge, dishwasher, and sink, as well as these 4 countertop stools, making it a perfect place to make some drinks for your friends and family. The kitchen features high-end stainless steel appliances complemented by a professional-grade range and hood, along with this subway tile-inspired backsplash that really creates a classic look. Beyond just cooking, this space serves as a luxurious gathering area, fully stocked with everything you need to cook a delicious meal. However, if you're not up for cooking during your stay, our Wander Concierge can recommend the best local private chefs in the area. You can enjoy your meal at the stylish dining room table that seats up to 8, the kitchen island seating up to 4, or this cozy breakfast nook that can seat up to 4 or 5. And with Sonos speakers in the kitchen and the game room, you can play all of your favorite music anytime you want. Right down the stairs, we've got this elegant primary bedroom that has cream, brown, and wood colorings throughout. This California king-size bed ensures a restful and luxurious night of sleep, and these glass windows provide breathtaking views of the landscape. There's even a glass door that leads out to your own private balcony, so you can really enjoy the nature around this house. Every Wander bedroom is designed so that you sleep better here than you do at home. Our cutting-edge technology ensures that you wake up feeling well-rested. With our smart mattresses, you can decide your comfort level, whether you prefer plush or firm. For your convenience, we've thoughtfully added wireless phone chargers beside every bed, so you never have to worry about forgetting your charger at home. The primary bathroom is an open and elegant space, and these mosaic tile floors really add a touch of artistry. These sleek, double vanity sinks paired with this marble countertop ensures plenty of space for getting ready. The best part of this bathroom is this gorgeous freestanding copper bathtub that provides stunning views of the water. Indulge in a spa-like experience with this expansive glass shower that features a rainfall shower head, a handheld option, and even a steam shower. Every Wander bathroom is stocked with luxurious amenities, including hand-picked shampoo and body wash, so you have an elevated self-care routine. We also include plush towels, warm robes, and cozy slippers. I know my favorite way to end the day is wrapping up in a cozy Wander robe. This exquisite home features 4 additional bedrooms, ensuring plenty of space and privacy. One boasts a king-size bed, 2 with queen-sized beds, and 1 more with a twin-sized bed, perfect for kids or an additional guest. Featuring plenty of rooms with generous layouts, this is the perfect space for larger groups. Down the stairs, you will find this dedicated office space with a workstation. Every Wander home is fully equipped with high-speed internet across the entire property. This workstation features a comfortable chair and a sit-to-stand desk. Equipped with a 38-inch ultra-wide LG curved monitor and this 4K Logitech webcam, your Zoom meetings will be crystal clear and you'll eliminate the need for a virtual background. Down the stairs, you will find this cozy TV room, complete with a plush sectional couch, perfect for relaxing and enjoying a movie. There's even an entertainment hub with a piano and a stage, perfect for a family talent show. For some light competition, you will find this vintage Pac-Man arcade table. Up a step, you have another wet bar, complete with a fridge, dishwasher, and sink, including 4 countertop stools right behind the couch, perfect for enjoying a drink with family and friends after a day of adventure. Stay active during your getaway with this dedicated workout space, featuring 2 yoga mats and a stationary bike. That's the interior of this incredible home, but there are a few other things that will enhance your trip that you should know about. This home has expansive balcony space stretching across multiple levels, all designed for relaxation and enjoyment. There are plenty of seating options, including classic Adirondack chairs and comfortable sofas, perfect for enjoying these stunning views and the refreshing Washington air. Enhance your trip with Wander. Let us supply must-have children's items like cribs and high chairs so you can free up some valuable luggage space. If you're wondering the best way to get here, the closest airport to Wander West Seattle is the Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, located a little over 10 miles away. We recommend renting a car during your stay, but you can always opt for a Lyft or an Uber. Ever feel overwhelmed with what to do during your trip? Wander is here to help. Check out our travel guide right after this so you can see all the best things to do and eat in the area. Need more specific help? Our Wander Concierge is on call 24/7 for any tips or recommendations. Simply text them here at this number for any further questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments, such as weddings or family gatherings, are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette weekend, or any other special family occasion, Wander allows you to make these experiences unforgettable. Simply visit wander.com/events to find out how you can make your next celebration extraordinary. Thanks for joining me at Wander West Seattle. We can't wait to welcome you. Now, let's check out the surrounding area because there is a lot to do around here. Head to our travel guide to learn all about it.